So I'm thinking to make the storage underneath the seat, like over here. But I have my U-lock, which fits over here perfectly, like that, and like this. So it's very tight. And it's not gonna go anywhere. So, but it's less space over here for the box what I wanted to make. So I don't know. I'm thinking to make it over here, kind of like that, maybe, to cut some of those plastic ribs, and something like that. So I made some kind of box with a cardboard. Made the cardboard. So first measures, it looks like this. It's actually pretty good, but I have a problem, so I need to make it smaller because my U-lock won't come out. It's too big. So it's 3.5 inch over here by 14. So I think to make it like 3 inch should be better. Okay, let's keep going. So, and when I was playing around with this box, like gonna build this box, so my tools bag fits so good over here. Super good. I like it. I mean, maybe I don't need a bag like this box. Maybe I should leave it like this because it's super tight. Don't go anywhere. So to remove it, you just put it like this. And that's it. Your tools. Easy. So I'm gonna think about it. So it's gonna be like that, kind of. Some tape, and just for now. Put it back. It's probably like this. Pretty hide it. So. I'm gonna cover this side too a little bit, like inch or inch and a half. Okay, let's try the book. So yeah, you look kind of work. sorry for that. Let's go like this. Should be fine. I guess. I don't know. Let's slide it back. That's it. Got it. That's how it looks like with my tool kit. So yeah, it's not that much space, but you can put something over here. I mean, you never know what you need. So yeah, and you can put pens over the toolkit. So it's 3" and 5" like that, and 14 like this. Plain. So pretty much that's it.